Rise and grind, man. Back at y'all with another video with the Pull-Up King. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to do a tune-up on a 2016 Honda Accord EX 2.4 4-cylinder. Should be a quick one. Stick around.
We have emotion, nigga. We have emotion, we have emotion. Yeah.
Hit with another one.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.
Alright, here we go. We got our spark plugs. NGK IRIDIUM for these Hondas is perfect spark plug for them. Last long, good on the engine. So we got our oil. We're doing the oil change. Oil in the oil filter, 0W20. We got the engine cover. We want to take that off. We got these bolts holding it in, 10 mil bolts. Get those out. I want to unplug them so you can pull them out. Alright, got our 14 mil. Get those out. Break them loose. I use my drill, make it faster. Get it out. Get my magnet. Get that magnet, go ahead and pull them out. Going in with the IRIDIUM NGK. Swap out those benzos. Get your anti-seize and go ahead and apply to the threads so they don't seize to the block and it won't be hard coming out next time. Spread it around. Make sure you don't get it on the tips. Got them in there. We're going to go ahead and finger tight and then tighten them down. Make sure you don't cross thread them. Go ahead and reinstall those coil packs. So what I want to show this clip here, it enables you to pull up on this rail so you can come out a little further. So just want to notate that. All right, got them in there. Put that cover back on there and going down to the oil change. Got my ramps. Gonna get it up on there. Left side, engine, oil pan. Right side, transmission pan. We have our filter right here. I'm gonna remove that. And right after that is the oil drain plug. Should be a 17. Alright, crack that loose. Put your oil pan below. Make sure you keep your washer on there if it falls off, because that keeps the oil in. You can leak oil from here if it gets old or flattens out or isn't there. Alright, next we're gonna pull that pan right below the oil filter. Get that out next. Okay, again, I'm going to be using the filter pliers. So I'm just gonna put it on here like that and twist. Righty tighty, lefty loosey. See, they got some other filter pliers. It has a circle, it's just a circle, like a band, and you can put it around it, and that'll work for it as well. But let's see, we make it work. Got our new filter here. You want to inspect the housing and make sure there's no gasket still on it from the oil filter or anything, because that can cause a leak as well. Go ahead and install that. Alright, looking good. Up top, go ahead and add the oil. Alright, so the oil is going to be 4.2 quarts. So this is 5 quarts here. I'm not going to do the whole thing. I'm going to pour what I needed in there. We're going to go ahead and start it up. Alright, what you want to do is just rev it up. Good 2,000, a little over 2,000, 3,000 RPMs. Just want to get that oil pressure built up. Right. Go ahead and get it off these ramps. We're gonna get out there and check that oil level, turn it off. All right, your oil dipstick is the orange one. All right, you pull that out. You want to make sure you wipe it off first, and then put it back in, and then check the oil. All right, we back in. See where we at. Looking good. All right, that dot right there is where you want it. Hey man, that's gonna be it, man. Y'all liking the content, man? You know what to do. Hit that like button, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell. Y'all get at me. Peace.
We have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma ride for this, I'ma grind for this, I did time for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. Cause we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. Hey, we have emotion, we have emotion, we have emotion, nigga. I swear I'ma grind for this, I did time for this, I'ma shine for this. I swear I was built for this, on guard, my partner got killed for this. We have emotion, I swear I ain't bragging and boasting. On that leaning, that's why I ain't focused.